Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most desirable gated community in northwest of Las Vegas. This is not a public open house. It is by the appointment tour only. And once you see the backyard views, you will understand why. Welcome to 6514 Causeway Ridge Street in Tavona, Sky Hills. Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my channel. This is Sai Brown, your real estate go-to expert. Today, I'm taking you to 6514 Causeway Ridge Street, located in gated community of Tavona at Sky Hills in northwest of Las Vegas, zip code 89166. This home feature is truly indoor-outdoor living with oversized sliding glass door, a gourmet kitchen, and a private retreat spaces, and in the backyard with a hot tub and elevated city, mountain, and strip views. Let's check it out. Here we are in front of the 6514 Causeway Ridge Street. Right away, you will notice the clean, modern, and elevated and peaceful street setting. This is not a high traffic location. It's feel private and elevated, which is exactly what buyer looking for in a Sky Hills. As soon as you walked in, the home opened into spaceless great room connected to the gourmet kitchen and dining space. The dining space with large windows and oversized sliding door. These oversized sliding glass doors are highlight. They completely transform the space and curate that seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Kitchen feature a large island, model cabinetry. It's all functional. Perfect layout for the entertaining. You can cook, host, and still be part of the conversation. This is exactly what today buyers are asking for. Open concept, natural light, and functional design. Another standout feature is the delicate wet bar station. Perfectly positioned for entertaining. The space is ready for a wine cooler, just like this one, or the mini refrigerator, allowing you to create a beverage center, sleek cocktail lounge, or even a custom coffee station. It is nice touch that elevate the lifestyle this home has to offer. One of my standout feature of this home is the private retreat space. This gives you flexibility, whether you need a second living area, home office, lounge space, or multi-generation option. This is not just a house you buy today. It is a home you grow into. Home with this type of flexible layout holds strong long-term value. This is a primary suite. Another large window for natural light coming in. Beautiful backyard. electrical all ready to go with your TV, etc. Recessed lighting all ready for you. You have a soaking tub, separate shower, his and her vanity, walk-in, a pretty good size walk-in closet, a second suite perfect for your guests or the in-law. Nice shower, standard size closet, laundry room, plenty storage with cabinetry, and it's hard to find, come with the sink. Full bath. Next to it is the third bedrooms and connected with the fourth bedroom. This backyard is what truly set this property apart. You have beautifully designed outdoor space, complete with private hot tub, perfect for relaxing in the evening. Because this home sits at the higher elevation, you get open city, mountain view, and even glimpse of the Las Vegas Strip grow at night. Imagine opening this oversized sliding, hosting friends, family, and blending indoor-outdoor living. And in Las Vegas, that's everything. Here is your takeaway, guys. What makes this home really special is the combination of 1. Gated community, 2. Elevated lot, 3. Indoor-outdoor living, 4. City, mountain, and strip views, 5. Private retreat spaces, and 6. Model layout. Home like this in Taverno at Sky Hills don't stay quiet for long, especially when buyers are looking for lifestyle and location. Because this is not a public open house, showing are by appointment only. If you are thinking about moving to northwest of Las Vegas, or you want a home with view and gated privacy, reach out to me directly. And if you found this tour helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment below. I really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye for now. ลาก่อนค่ะ